Sorry is a 2 to 4 player board game where players race to get all of their pawns around the board and into their home space first. To set up the game, have each player choose a color and place their 4 pawns inside their corresponding start space. Place the deck of Sorry cards in the center of the board. Then, choose one player to go first. On your turn, draw one card off the top of the deck and turn it face up. If it's a 1 or a 2, you can move one of your pawns out of your start space and onto the board. You must draw a 1 or a 2 to move a pawn out of your start space. If you draw a Sorry card, you can replace another player's pawn on the board with one of your pawns from your start space. Then that player's pawn goes back to their start space. However, you can't send a player's pawn back to start if it's in their safety zone or home space. If you draw one of the other numbered cards, follow the directions on the card to move any of your pawns that are outside of your start space. If you land on the same space as another player's pawn, send their pawn back to their start space. If you land on another player's triangle space on the board, slide your pawn all the way to the circle space connected to it. If another player's pawn is in your way, send their pawn back to their start space. Once you move a pawn around the board and close to your home space, you need to draw the exact number needed to move that pawn into home. Play continues like this until one player gets all of their pawns into their home space and wins.